Okay, here's Rex's lunch, and she's got a pork curry with an interesting component also. You can see the pork, but this is banana tree stalk. You can see it? Yeah, that's part of the banana tree. So much of the banana tree is edible. Even the flower, that big beautiful purple flower, is edible. And she's got some veggies, mix of herbs and cucumber and snake bean and the tiny baby round Thai eggplant. Nam prick is one of Rex's favorites. It has a very pungent flavor, although there are at least 10 different kinds of nam prick available. Try it if you like it. I don't like it much, but Rex loves it. And some rice on the side. It's pretty cool. Talk about having a little restaurant on the go. They've even got the way to get the smoke out of it. Pork on a stick. Oh, I gotta try some of that. How much is it?
ไม้เท่าไหร่คะ
10 baht, 30 cents. Yep, I'm down with that. I love the contraption. I actually haven't seen this yet. It's my first time. I love it. It's pretty unique. So I got one liver on a stick. Ooh, it's hot. One chicken bits on a stick and an interesting sticky rice fried sort of like square pancake. But I just love the little mobile restaurant, and that's what it looks like on top. It's so cool. I love it. So if you're craving some French baked goods, you can usually come to one of the fancier shopping centers. There's some croissants. And of course it's going to be a bit more expensive than your average thing. I mean, that's about 70 cents for one small croissant. And it is actually, hello, giving free promotion to you. I'm a YouTuber. It's called Bonjour. And it's a chain. I've seen them around. Ooh, that looks good. So lots of nice little snacks and bready goodies. I've bought things here before, and the quality is pretty good. Just so you know, that's available in Thailand. This is one of my favorite kinds of pork, Khao Kha Moo. It's the leg, and it has been marinating for a long time, getting super soft and just melts in your mouth. I just ordered it, 50 baht, $1.50 with rice. A delicious sauce from that side. Yeah, it's so arroy mak.